P.T. Thomas was an Indian politician who served as a member of the Kerala Legislative Assembly, represented Thrikkakkara Assembly constituency from 2016 until his death in 2021. He was also a member of parliament who represented the Idukki Lok Sabha constituency in Kerala, India. He belonged to Indian National Congress. He was elected to Kerala Legislative Assembly from Thrikkakkara Assembly constituency in 2016 Kerala Legislative Assembly election by defeating Sebastian Paul of Communist Party of India by a margin of 11,996 votes. Thomas died from cancer on 22 December 2021 at the age of 71. Thomas was the son of P.T. Thomas and Anama Thomas. Thomas was happily married to Uma Thomas, and the couple had two sons together. Thomas stood out for his views on protecting the environment and regularly campaigned against projects that were harmful to the environment. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.